testing strategies for AngularJS 4 applications. We will explore various testing techniques, best practices, and tools that can help you ensure the reliability and robustness of your AngularJS 4 applications. Introduction to AngularJS 4 testing. By implementing a comprehensive testing strategy, developers can identify and resolve bugs early in the development process, leading to a more stable and user-friendly application. AngularJS 4 unit testing. By testing individual units of code in isolation, developers can verify the functionality of specific components or modules. Tools like Jasmine and Karma are commonly used for writing and executing unit tests in AngularJS applications. AngularJS 4 end-to-end testing. This type of testing is critical for identifying any issues related to navigation, data flow, and user experience. Tools like Protractor and Selenium can be used for conducting end-to-end tests in AngularJS 4 applications. Testing tools and frameworks for AngularJS 4. Protractor, an end-to-end testing framework specifically designed for Angular applications. Xenon.js, a standalone test spy library for testing JavaScript code. Istanbul, a code coverage tool for measuring code coverage in tests. Conclusion. In conclusion, implementing robust testing strategies is essential for ensuring the reliability and performance of AngularJS 4 applications.